Chula Vista School District FAPA.
Hey everybody, this is Mrs. Lawrence, and I'm here today to share with you a very simple puppet activity. And this is called Fab 5 Fingers. And this is something that you can do at home with very little supplies. In fact, I'll bet you have everything you need right there at home, just like I did. First of all, you need 5 fingers. Sure, we all have our 5 fingers. And then you need a pair of scissors, hopefully safety scissors. These are a little bit large for children. You need some tape, some paper, and then a pen or some sort of markers. You can decide. Now, what you do first of all is you draw a face. Yes, you draw a face on each one of your fingers. Now, I already did that. Let me show you what I came up with. I just used a pen. I didn't get too fancy. But here's what I came up with. You can see my pinky, my next finger. So I tried to make all the characters a little different. Now, if this is as far as you want to go, that's fine. You can create a little puppet show and just create different voices. Hi there. I wonder where all my friends are. Oh, there they are.
Hi, I'm here, and I'm the tallest one.
You kind of get my idea, right? You can create your characters and your show just using this. But if you have those supplies, let me show you what you can do. You can take your piece of paper, lay your hand down on it, and then you're going to actually draw some different hats. Trace around them with markers, color them in, cut them out, and then you have hats for each of your fingers. Now, I cut one of mine out to demonstrate, and I made a little, kind of a little top hat here, you can see. And then on the back, I made a loop with paper and I taped the edges there to make a little place for my finger. And then what I do is, well, I can just put this hat on one of my faces, and there he has even more character. And then I can create a whole story. Maybe I could create characters from a favorite book I have, or I could make up my own story. It's up to you. And you can have more than 5 fingers. I know you have 10. You can actually have a giant production with 10 characters. It's up to you. Maybe you want to develop a story and then after dinner perform for your parents, or get your parents involved. They can help you too, and you create a whole family show. Whatever you do, I hope you have a great time. I'll be back another time with another idea for you.